Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe with Veryveelobeauty, and of course you guessed it, another video means another color. But you guys, if you want to be up on all the latest lipstick tea, I'm going to need you to go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so that you could be in the loop. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful neutral pink nude lipstick. It is so beautiful. As you can see, you guys, I paired it with a gloss on top. This is a lipstick bullet, and of course I am continuing my lipstick bullet series. You guys loved it so much. I got so much amazing feedback on it, so I decided to do a very popular color in the form of a lipstick bullet. This color can be worn by anybody, you guys. Stay tuned, you're in for a treat. You're going to love it. First, I'm going to start off with my world famous #2. This is a whole nother base, you guys. The lipstick bullet base. This base is much firmer than my regular base due to the fact that we want it to sit in a mold. We want it to form in a lipstick mold. So you can use this base inside of a mold. I do have a video on how to make this base as well if you are into making your own base, but if not, you can purchase it at my website www.veryveelobeauty.com. It will be there for you. And I'm just going in here with 1 teaspoon of it. I got me a glass beaker. I'll be sure to put that link in the description box below where I got my beakers from. And next we're going to be adding the color now that we have our beaker added. And the first color that we're going to be adding is the Veryveelobeauty Liquid Concentrate in white. And I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the white. Next, you guys, I'm going to be going in with the Veryveelobeauty Brown Liquid Concentrate, and I'm going to be using a half of a teaspoon of this as well. I'm just putting it inside of my spoon and dispersing it right into the beaker with the rest of the stuff. Being that this bullet is very simple, we are going in with our final color, and that is the pink. This is the Veryveelobeauty Liquid Concentrate in the color pink, and I'm going in with 1/4 of a teaspoon. You guys, this concentrate is very, very, very pigmented. Oh my goodness, it is like packed with color and it is potent. The ratio in this concentrate is amazing, so I would definitely try it out. So once we got all of our colors, including the base inside of the beaker, we're going to go ahead and place it inside of our double boiler. I have enough water in there. I would say it's not a lot of water because we don't want the water to get into our lipstick, but it's just enough to kind of like heat the products in the bottom of the beaker. I'll say I filled my pot about 1/4 of the way, so be very careful when filling your pot. And now what I'm going to do is take some castor oil. I actually prefer a lighter oil, so if you're going to oil your lipstick mold, use a lighter oil, maybe sweet almond oil. But castor was what I had on hand. So I went ahead and oiled my lipstick mold down so that when it's time for us to remove the lipstick and put it into the tube, it will be so much easier. So now I'm removing our beaker from the hot water, and be sure to use something to protect your hands because of course it is hot. So I'm going to go ahead and start to mix our product now that it has melted and get it into a more liquefied consistency with my hand mixer. It's already liquefied, but what the hand mixer does is it incorporates everything together easily and fast. Now, someone asked me if it was okay to use powder pigments when mixing lipstick. It absolutely is fine, but the thing is, you don't want any remnants of pigment or white, especially with the titanium dioxide. You guys know that can be a pain, and you really have to mix that well. So the concentrate is so ideal when it comes to making the bullet lipsticks, because look at that, you guys. It is mixing so easily. It's almost like a smoothie. It's like mixing so well. And this hand mixer is it's powerful enough for the amount of lipstick that we're making. So it's serving its purpose, and I really like it. So there we have it. It was mixed and it is in liquid form. And I'm just making sure that I'm getting all of the color incorporated together. And then after I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the sides and make sure that that color is incorporated as well. So right now I'm just going in with a color swatch on my arm to see what our lipstick is looking like. You always want to do a swatch. And when I tell you, you guys, this color is so pretty. It is beautiful. This is an everyday color. Like if you're wearing it to work, daytime, if you're not into lipsticks, like as far as like loud, vibrant colors, this one is for you. Daytime, nighttime, however you want to do it, pair it with a gloss. It is absolutely gorgeous. And shout out to those Very Veelo Beauty liquid concentrates. You guys, they are potent. I kid you not. You saw the color payoff on my arm. So I'm just saying, they lit, they popping. The proof is in the pudding. So right now I'm just pouring our liquid mixture, and you guys see how easily it is going into our mold. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the freezer for about 15 minutes. I am now back with the lipstick, and as you can see, it's a little frosty. The mold is actually a little frosty from the freezer. I put it in the freezer, and right now I'm just taking a scraper to get the excess off. I purchased my scraper from Dollar Tree in the art section. And once I remove the excess lipstick, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the top of the mold. It slides off easily. And I'm taking my lipstick tube. I got these from Amazon, you guys. And I'm just twisting it all the way up. And I'm sitting it on top. And this time, I'm not scared. I put it all the way down. That's what you want. You want to put it all the way down, and it's going to slide up easily right out of the mold. Now, if it doesn't slide up out of the mold, please don't force it. Just put it back in the freezer for a little bit because it isn't ready. But this one is ready, and it is beautiful, and I absolutely love, love, love this. And I put my cap on just like that. We made a lipstick mode. Lipstick game. What can we not do? I'm telling you guys, like, we are so lit. Like, what can we do? Now I'm going in with some lip liner. This is just a personal choice of mine. You know, you guys don't have to use lip liner if you don't want to. But I'm just going in with a little bit of liner. And now for the star of the show, the main star of the show, the lipstick. I'm going in with this beautiful lipstick. I have no name for it. It's just a neutral pink. And look at that. Look at that color payoff. It is so popping. I love it. I would love for you guys to do me a favor and drop some city names below as a color idea, a color name idea for this beautiful pink neutral. And the one that I like the most, I will be sure to upload it to the website so that you guys can purchase this color. If you would like to purchase this color, it will be available on my website. I will be choosing a city name from the comments. So you guys, please look out. And now I'm just putting a little bit of gloss on top of that. And I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, soft, glam look. This is the perfect lipstick for the soft, glam look. And you guys, soft glam is really trending right now. I mean, does it ever go out of style? Anybody can do the soft glam. I love the soft glam look on myself, and I just had to come through with a beautiful soft glam pink neutral lip for everyone. Here we are with the liquid concentrates, Very Veelo Beauty. You guys can go to my website and purchase all of these. I have sizes starting at $5. Oh my gosh, unbeatable. And then, of course, I have my lipstick bullet base. You guys can purchase that as well. You can purchase them together so that you can get your lipstick bullet making on. Of course, I am still hosting online one-on-one virtual classes. I would love to see you there. Go on my website for that as well. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your love and support always. Be blessed.